What's in there?
That'd be in the old watchtower, wouldn't it? Look at the door.
It's pretty cool. Bushmans. Got a coil, sandalwood stick, a zapper. That should keep the ghosts away.
Coil on the table.
Oh, yeah, another coil under there. Hey Ralph. Ralph.
Ralph, what are you doing in the rain, mate? Alright, not touching it.
Have you got the internet?
Yeah, do you have to film?
It's a bakery. Purring like a kitten.
Oh, this sounds delightful. Seriously, look at him. If I get you across the other side of the town.
Yeah, we go back the other way, but see what's down here.
Side by side, our fears are done. All the good times just begun.
I want to go there. This ain't it, is it?
We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. Oh, you and I, we got it.
What's up, Hoya? I stuffed myself up then. Ah, you've lost it. Suss that out on the way back, I think. Who's been on this? Oh, there's a wild trolley. Hey there, fella. Picked up a flat.
Oh, geez, looks like you're in a bit of strife there, mate.
Just a little.
What's happened?
Pump that up. See how we go.
Luckily you had a beer before this leg. Take two.
I thought it was a shark at first. I'm like,
He's just cruising.
There's something here.
Yeah, he just went under there.
Dolphin, you reckon?
yeah, definitely.
Let's see where this goes. It's a cool little track near the ocean. You okay? We were just walking up the beach and we find this, the seahorse. He really wants to go in a rock pool or something.
Oh, they can swim against the side, can't
I doubt, that's why he's out. Good luck, buddy. There's no rock pools here, so hopefully he can swim all right. I believe he's dying.
What does that look like?
Joanna. Yeah, he's a ripper. Getting good at my footprints.
The snakes don't go straight, they go.
Oh, they don't have legs. Oh, look at this crab.
Oh, fuck.
Yeah, Mr. Crab.
Oh. Two.
Like just very recently in the last. So they okay.
Oh.
Oh.
Oh, that's beautiful.
I reckon I'll lose this one again.
Good thinker rising.
Jesus, Dad. Oh.
Oh, no.
Oh.
That was looking good there for a second.
Yeah, that was. It was my plan, but. Oh, sorry about that. Oh, no.
Two! Oh, take two. Oh! Oh, yeah!
Well, that's interesting. It's going hot.
Unbelievable. Done it.
Then after going past all the leaves.
Where's in?
Where are you now?
I've taken the wrong turn. Hang on.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's good. No, I'm just riding my push bike down the bowls club.
Oh, no.
Stress event.
Stress event. I'll go the opposite way. Whoa!
Go back.
Traffic jet.
Pablo!
Oh, he's over there.
Are you lost?
Jesus, Dad. What's that?
Track. Whoa, shit! Oh, man. Did you?
Ow, it flew in front of us on the road and I go, Roz, it's an owl.
So, who saw it first?
It was beautiful.
You got a diamond head.
Delete Barry. Don't, Lee. Oh, now you're upsetting it. It will still bite you and it does still bite you.
Dad, don't touch it.
Yep. You'll have a think about it for a bit.